Now, if you're wondering if call agent AI could be used for, say, something like insurance, I just had this experience where I had to call my insurance company and I was on hold for a really long time. I hung up, I called back the next day, and they just said, due to high call volume, we can't answer your call. I'm sorry. And it actually hung up and said goodbye. Try call back another time. I thought I was going to be put on a long queue. That wasn't even the case. I guess their phone systems can't handle. So certainly a problem in a space like insurance, larger the company, and you're going to get that. And so what I did here, I'm going to give you a demonstration of how we go set up prompting for call agent AI as if this is like a human answering the call. And I'm going to first dive into like giving you an example. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm using my soft phone on my computer, and I'm going to call this number, and I'm going to use the opportunity saying, I'm going to pretend I'm opening up a cookie shop. I don't know why I would ever do that, but anyway, and I want to get business insurance. Okay, guys?
Thank you for calling Woodland Insurance. My name is Alex. How can I be of assistance today?
Hey, Alex, my name is John. How are you?
Hello, John. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How can I assist you with your insurance needs today?
Yeah, I'm going to be opening up a cookie shop in Oakville, Ontario, and I want to find out about insurance and what I would need. The store is going to be about 2,000 square feet. We're just going to have some ovens for baking and a small kitchen for cleaning and things like that. So I want to find out what's the process and steps required to get business insurance.
That's great to hear, John. Opening a cookie shop sounds exciting. For your business insurance needs, here's what you typically need to consider.
Okay.
1. Gather information about your business, like the location, size, and the types of equipment you'll have. Share this information with us, and we'll help you find the right coverage. Would you like to start with a quote or discuss your specific needs in more detail?
You know what? That's a great start. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to gather all that information and come back to you. If you want to take my name and number, we can schedule another call because I do got to run to another meeting.
Absolutely, John. I'd be happy to schedule another call with you. Please provide your phone number and let me know a convenient time for us to discuss your cookie shop's insurance needs.
I'm going to mute. I'm making up a phone number. Yeah, I can be reached at 905-555-1234.
Got it. I'll give you a call at 905-555-1234. When would be a convenient time for our follow-up conversation?
Today's Friday. How about next Friday at this time, which is, let's say, at 1:40 next Friday? How does that sound?
Next Friday at 1:40 p.m. works perfectly. I'll give you a call then. If anything comes up in the meantime, feel free to reach out. I look forward to assisting you with your business insurance. Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
You're welcome, John. Talk to you next Friday.
Bye-bye. I mean, pretty good. Now I'm going to show you how we went to go and set that up.
Okay, so here is your prompt, and that's the first thing you're going to do. What you're going to do is, if you have an onboarding document already for your people and training, and you have some sort of documentation, so you're going to like literally, take this document and paste it into your knowledge box, and it could be, doesn't matter how many pages it is. And everything that you want to do your training to your human agents, you're going to do the same thing on the actual call agent. And so this is what we call a prompt box. And you're going to paste it there. All the things, all your products that you sell, all the things in the manner, your capabilities, your duties and your responsibilities. And you can give it a name. This is Alex from Woodland Insurance. Your role is to help clients with various insurance needs, such as car, health, house, life, travel, business insurance, yada, yada, yada. And it goes on. I think you guys get the idea. It kind of sets the stage of who you are, what the expectations are. Then we go in the configuration is you can give it a name, the phone number. We talk about this in another video as to where you get your phone number and apply it in there. your custom greeting, how you want to greet them. And then we have different voices that you can choose from over here, okay? And then the language model that you want to use. Right now, the best we have to offer is ChatGPT real-time preview. It has the ability to listen while it's talking. So if you're going to interrupt it, it'll just stop and say, oh, okay, you want to say something, and that is where that is. Settings, this is where the magic happens. You can set what I did here already is we capture what information do we want to capture, right? What is it? We want to capture their name, their phone number, what's their address, right? How do we want to say their address, and what date format do we want? What insurance type do you need? All these important things that you tell these people you want to capture, and you can keep going on. Like say, I don't know, maybe it's important that in insurance capture their birth date. So you go ahead and create a new one. And you could just write to it in normal way you do. Just capture their birth date, and it will listen. It's an AI generated, so you don't have to be a programmer. Just say capture their birth date. What is a name, right? You see, this is in plain English. What is insurance type? Does the customer want, or what they've inquired about, right? And that's what you're going to find out, and that's what you're going to do. And you can keep, this is limitless. So you can just keep adding all this on, okay? The calls is where you're going to see the transcription of that call, what took place, and hi, my name is Alex, and it's all logged here. But that's how you get an idea of how to set it up. And it literally, if you have this document already for your human agents, it will take you just a few minutes to set it up.
So pretty easy, right, to set up. I mean, it wasn't that difficult. We did the prompts, the configuration, and the settings that we saw, and everything kind of came together very quickly. Now, obviously, I'm not an expert in insurance, but this prompt is whatever that you have in terms of training your people today. I'm sure that you have a document like you saw here in the video where we put in the demo. We took a Word doc and we put it in here in the knowledge prompt, and it answers everything as it should. It gave me the opportunity to say, hey, these are the things that I need to get a proper quote for this cookie shop. And it gave me that information. It started the dialogue. And so it was a good opportunity that maybe they're going to have then the actual person calling and say, hey, John, this is the insurance. You spoke to Michael. Whether you want to claim he's an AI bot, it doesn't really matter. Whatever you're comfortable with. And he doesn't have to mention it. He'd be like, hey, it could be Sally following up at 1 o'clock and saying, so John, here's based on, this is your quote and what we need to do, and here's the next steps. And so that could just save a ton of time. And so you see that using a call agent to substitute, to support you with this it's game changing. Thanks for watching.